some companies have very, I would say, complex structures in their CRM. And we let that learn to Donna. And in the end, everything has to be filled in. And obviously, it's always good if it's connected with like an agenda item where you know that you have a meeting with John Tyson, for example. But let's assume for a second that you did a spontaneous walk-in and in a store, and that you say, hey, I had a meeting with Nicolas Christiaen, but Nicolas Christiaen is nowhere to be found in the CRM system, right? Then, of course, it has to link with that, that contact or search that contact. That's, of course, the part where not everything is perfect yet, but we're really working on that to make that even better.
That in the future, it feels like solvable. But so that means then what do? You just take the conversation and you store it somewhere, or that's just a use case that you'll figure out later on?
Yeah. No, so we actually integrate very neatly with the underlying CRM systems.
Okay.
So we're integrated with a Salesforce, a Hubspot, a Microsoft Dynamics. And the cool part is that we are able to connect to their sort of metadata layer, meaning that, very simply said, if there's a custom field, a custom object that needs to be filled in, we can actually do that. And it's sort of that, call it enterprise level integration, that really is very unique in combination with the calling. And those two things combined make it quite neat for a field sales.